Bending with Biggtime. Hi, it's Joshua Bigger, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Primegrip benders. One of my favorite tools made by Primegrip, made with forged steel. They have several different types. Today we're going to be using the 2-foot bender and a few hand benders. So most chimneys are around 1.5 to 2 feet. This 2-foot bender can be used to make your counter flashing. Simple bending techniques with a 1-inch fold here and a 1/4-inch fold here. You simply get a piece of aluminum, slide the aluminum into the groove, and I like to bend on a hard surface so it gets a nice consistent bend. I like to over bend, then bend back. Just like so. There's your chimney flash in there. You can also use the 1/4-inch bend to then fold the top, because by doing this fold here, when it butts up against the chimney, it makes it a tighter fit, so you use less caulking for your finish. When with the 2 folds, making the piece more rigid. Something as simple as that. And then once you get to your chimney, you're actually going to use, I like to use the 2-inch benders. These ones are great. They're nice and heavy duty. Bending it like so, and then also would be wrapping around the back of the chimney, under your back pan. This is known as a side rail or a chimney flash or a counter flash. There you go. Simple as that. Very simple, common bend used in roofing on a daily basis. So I like to keep my benders on me in my pouch so I can do simple bends with step flashing. Especially when we're doing a stucco job, we really want to kick that water out at the bottom of the roof. So all we do here is we make a simple cut like so. Fold the other part in underneath. There you go. That's your kick out. So at the edge of the roof, at the end wall, the water will run down and go into the gutter. Saves a lot of damage from over the years. A lot of people don't use a little step flashing trick like this, but this prevents water from getting behind the stucco. And as you know, if water gets behind the stucco, it eventually freezes and then blows out the whole entire wall. It's called a kick out. Easily made with the help of your Primegrip benders. Another piece. Another thing you can do with these Primegrip benders is, say you're doing a fascia repair and you have a small little area of fascia you need to repair. Much like the chimney flash, you can put the 2-foot piece in like that. And also used to do a small repair on fascia as well. Simple bends. Great tools. And these things are so heavy duty. This one here I've probably had for 5 years. And one of my oldest benders by Primegrip, I don't even think it's on this table, but it's actually 12 years old. I've been using it forever. I've used it as a hammer. I've dropped it off the roofs. I've literally used it to bash and break and bend, and it's still here right now. Actually, this is a snap lock roof, 22 gauge. What we're going to do here is we're going to fold the metal underneath itself so it locks into the drip edge. Cut it free. Now on a thinner gauge metal, you can actually use the Primegrip 12-inch benders. With this gauge of metal, it's a little harder to bend. It's really thick. So I recommend that you use the bar bender. It actually has holes and features in it, so you can actually put a handle to get more leverage. And I believe that Primegrip is releasing one soon with a leverage bar on it. But for the time being, we're going to use this one. This metal's so thick and it's beaded, it's actually hard to get it in. So you gotta, there you go. So the bender itself is actually, has a depth like we already explained for 1 inch. And you just put it at the edge of your table and you fold it over. And it takes a little bit of strength. And that's why putting a leverage bar can make it easier. And like I said already, that we are coming out with a new bender with a leverage bar already built into it. As you can see, there's your lock. And then of course, this panel will slide in under the roof, locking into the drip edge. So that was just a short demonstration on how our Primegrip benders can be used. Join me next time on Bending with Big Time by Primegrip.